States, there's some showers in Sydney, but I kept the crew prepared for any points.
Where am I? This is bigger than my apartment. Plain chit chat. Okay, let me update you. I've made it to Sydney and we're here because we're going to Fashion Week. Am I Emma Chamberlain in my hotel bed? It's actually insane. I feel like someone is gonna walk in and just be like, "Jokes, what are you doing here?" Flew down here this morning, arrived to the airport, and there was a guy standing there with my name on his phone. Picked up my bag from the luggage handle, took it out to the car for me. I got on the back of a Tesla. I'm in a Tesla. He drove me to the most beautiful place. This is called Sky Suites. I think there's a few in Sydney. I'm at the one kind of closest to the airport. And then as I was checking in, I was early. And I was like, it's fine if the room's not ready, I'll go find a coffee. She's like, yeah, it's ready. And we've also upgraded you. Let me show you this place. Meant to be 1 bedroom. She said she'd upgraded me to a 2-bedroomer. Absolute darling. And this is where you walk into the main bedroom. It is massive and it looks out to this courtyard. We've got a full kitchen. It's just me sitting there tonight by myself. A lounge space, a 2nd bedroom for me and all my friends. So cool. I'm beyond thankful. Pretty much the only reason I said yes to coming to Fashion Week is because of these guys. They have Fresco. They have reusable like bottles, coffee cups, all that goodness. Obviously having reusable cups handy just helps reduce waste. And I'm all about that. They are the official sustainable partner of Fashion Week, which I thought was really cool. I was really excited to be a part of that. I feel like people who want to be pushing for a more sustainable and ethical approach towards fashion should be present in these types of scenarios to help represent that and voice that and hopefully lead to better change. Thank you so much to Fresco for bringing me here. I've got a few things on with them tomorrow, which I can't wait to dive into and see what they are putting on. I just love that their products are clean, simple, practical. The bottles that I got came with this insert where you can put teas, fruits, things that you want to kind of strain and flavor your water, which I thought was really cool. And then also they've got just like the classic coffee cups and whatnot, which speaking of, I've actually got a chronic coffee headache because I haven't had a coffee yet today. It's midday, so I thought we could take my other Fresco cup and go find a cute cafe and caffeine up and see what's going on around town. Let's go find coffee. Got my walking shoes on. I got this leather jacket off Marketplace via sneakers. It's my new DIY top. A tutorial is coming with my DIY culottes. We got coffee, we got food. Tomorrow's outfit is also made out of this material but in a purple finish, so that's exciting. And also I thought it's an opportunity to create my own outfits out of thrifted, upcycled materials, organic materials. I'm so beyond thankful for this opportunity. It has been so overwhelmingly beautiful so far and I've literally only been here for a few hours. I'm even more excited to see what is gonna happen tomorrow. Thanks so much for Fresco for sponsoring this video, for this whole experience. Go check them out, guys. Not me deciding to hand sew the finishing touches of this bag as I need to get ready. Also using the scissors from the nail kit to trim the thread. And we're done. Cute new bag, half hand stitched. I'm a disaster. Now it's shower time. Shower done, now to fix this all up and then get changed. And this is the final look. Look how good this bottle goes with my dress. But yes, this is a DIY dress. It's actually got like a little jumper slip over the top. A tutorial is coming, so stay tuned. But this is its like first official outing as a whole piece, which is so exciting. Anyway, let's go to lunch. I've also got the jacket in case it gets cold, but yeah, we'll see. It's what, sorry?
Most expensive one.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh.
Heard about him a lot.
Yes? Well, I'm very excited to dine there. back from a very long lunch. I arrived around 1 p.m. It is now 5:30 p.m. I got cooked some calm tea. I feel like I'm definitely going to be using that later. A bamboo flask. Yes! Such a lovely lunch. I met like a bit of the fresco team, a bit of the like agency that I've been working with, and then also some of the like fellow content creators that are like me, and I here on behalf of them. And everyone was so lovely. We had so much fun. The food was insane. So good. Drinks just flowing through, many courses of food coming through. Pretty much followed everyone that I met there, and I feel like that's been my biggest goal of this week, just like connecting with new people. Now I've got new friends online that I can keep connected with. A few of the girls from the lunch are now going to the show tonight, so I need to start getting ready for that. It's 5:30. I need to be down at Carriage Works, which is where like the whole Fashion Week stuff happens, around 7 p.m. So maybe a little refresh of the face, more perfume, new outfit, and then we can go. So let's get ready. Okay, tonight's outfit consists of the bag that I literally finished this morning, a sheer top made out of a thrifted scarf, some thrifted pants, and some thrifted boots. Let's go.
Walk respectfully, and may my people's spirits walk with you and guide you as we strive forward for us all. This always was, always will be Aboriginal land.
Let's recap the night. Going into this whole week, I was very like, what is the vibe going to be? Is it just going to be like pretentious? Is it going to be like fun, exciting, inspiring? I just didn't know. And to be honest, I'm obsessed. It was so fun. Everyone is just their pure selves and everyone is celebrated, and I feel like it was just so nice to see people just like wearing what they wanted to wear. One fun thing is I had my little film camera as well, so I like went up to people if I liked their outfits and asked if I could take their picture. So I have a roll full of people's fits. When we arrived there, we first checked out the fresco installation, and the cool thing about that is obviously they're showing off their products, but also their whole installation is low waste. It's all flowers and reused items. Flowers will get repurposed and auctioned off, and the money that they make from that is actually going to a mental health charity, I believe. So that's really cool, and it was actually so beautiful. So we got a few pictures there, checked that out. Then we went to the VIP lounge, had a few drinks there, and then we lined up for the show. And the fun thing about like lining up is everyone was out there just like looking cool, so I took a few pictures there of people, and then we entered the beautiful Carriage Works gallery. It was the Indigenous Fashion Projects one. I requested to go to this because I really wanted to see it. I was excited to see the designers that were collaborating on this production, and it really did not disappoint. It was really moving actually watching that show, and like just had impact, and I almost like teared up at one point because it was so beautiful. There was a few familiar faces like in the crowds and in the models, so that was really just exciting to be a part of and see. Oh yeah, and then Jessica Malboy came out. If you're not from Australia, she is I think one of our most like well-known Australian singers, and the energy was just exciting and I loved it. I need to clean up this schmozzle that I've left. I'm tired, I'm happy, life is good, and I'm kind of ready for bed. Good morning. I had a nice sleep in, which is very rare for me. I don't know how people do this for like a week long of just like back-to-back full days of stuff. I would be an absolute mess. I need my like downtime. Today is a very get editing and little bits of work done. Check out, check in, move along. Time to clean up this situation and then say goodbye to this beautiful space. I literally only hung out in like that bedroom the whole time. It's just so unnecessarily big for one person. Goodbye, Sky. Thank you for having me. think I have an actual illness. I cannot read instructions. I almost walked into the wrong apartment. What's the right lighting? We've made it to the next location, which is a cute Airbnb in Paddington, very quaint. We've got a kitchen, a bathroom, a big open studio space. When I was having some lunch, I realized while I'm here, why don't I go to another show? So I spontaneously booked a ticket for tonight's show, which is the Future of Fashion. And it's got a collection of various designers, which I'm excited to see. I've got to put together an outfit for that now. There is no full-length mirror in this place, so I've literally had to have my phone stood up so I could see the whole outfit. So hopefully it doesn't look terrible. I haven't properly showered and got ready yet, but I just wanted to like try on some potentials. We're going for a bit grandma chic look. Whoop. It's comfy, it's fun. I'm literally re-wearing the dress from yesterday because we're all about re-wearing, sharing, loving what we have. The orange button-up and the bag are thrifted. These, I think, are Doc Martens. My cousin gave them to me. Again, she was about to throw them out, like the jeans that I got from her. A cropped thrifted jacket, which I did in a thrift flip video, and obviously the dress that I made. We've made it home. That was fun and scary. Went by myself, awkwardly stood around a lot, but then I ended up making a little friend. I complimented her jacket and we ended up lining up together and she was so lovely. She made her jacket and I'm gonna put a picture here and link it, and you should go support her. If I'm doing something by myself, it's good to have like a little activity. Like if I go to a cafe, I like having my laptop because then I can do work. And I took my film camera tonight, so like if I saw someone who had a cool outfit, I'd go up to them, compliment it, talk to them, and take a picture of it. This is from the rain, not a stain, just FYI. It's super rainy tonight. The show was amazing. I feel like there was a very 80s influence. The jackets that people were wearing were very oversized, the puffy sleeves, the colors, like very bold, even some of the patterns. So I'm intrigued. I wonder if the 80s are gonna start making their way into the trends. Anyway, I had fun. I got out of my comfort zone.
Take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Baby, I'll be better when we're older. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. Hey, I'm sorry, do you think we're old enough?
I'm all packed and ready to go to my next location, which is my friend's place at Bondi for the weekend because it is her 30th birthday. That's pretty much where I'm going to leave this video. It has been the most epic first experience of Fashion Week. I'm so glad I got a little glimpse into it. Thank you so much again to Fresco for this opportunity. It has just been such a blast and I will never forget it. I'm so grateful. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along the adventure, and hopefully this won't be the last time and we can go to many more and show that sustainability can be stylish. Oh yes, one last fit check. I've got my thrifted jacket from Tassie, my DIY button-up shirt, my DIY slip dress, and my Maya sneakers. She's comfortable, she's ready for business.
How do you find
I like it.